Good day, it is Stephen Davids here, and in this video I will discuss how to hang a cabinet against the wall. You first start by drawing the outline where I do not know if you can see these marks, where the cabinet must come and the various other components of the cabinet. Then you can start off light. If you start off light, it's easier, and then you have someone to help you. You can install it because the doors still need to be installed. It's up to you, but if the doors were installed, it would have been a little bit more difficult to balance and hold the cabinet. So therefore it's easier to install the doors later. And this is these doors with these simple hinges that we're going to install. So then you ask someone to help you, and then you start balancing using your level to level the cabinet, and then first drill in one hole. It is in this case, it was drilled in directly opposite. Here's a joint in the tile so that the breakage can be less. If you have one screw in, then you can tilt it around with the level, and then you can also see to it based on these lines that you draw, is it level. You use that level, and then after you have the first line correctly, satisfied that maybe in this the thing is level, you go into your second hole that you drill through here right into the concrete. Use a drill bit that can take both wood and wall at the same time. Thereafter you can continue from having one which is not only stable, but you know, okay, it's now stable and it's at the correct height and level. Then you can go and add the other supports as you want to. When you attach the other sections, with a clamp. You try, of course, to have it level, but if you can't at the very start make it level absolutely on the top, the level at the top, then at least go for slightly a little bit, maybe a millimeter a little bit higher, but try to have it. Of course you will try to get it exactly straight, but you won't be it's not always possible. Then you attach it with the clamps. The clamps at first, it must not be over tightened because you still want to adjust it. Maybe the clamps at first must only be able to hold this second unit onto the first unit that was installed in the very first place. The reason why it must not only hold it, but you must also be able to adjust it, maybe with a hammer or a pallet on the sides to adjust these two and make it level. So rather to make it maybe a millimeter or something slightly higher than new unit, then it's more difficult to lift it. Okay, then you heat it from the sides, and if necessary you then again loosen these screws that you have on the side, because sometimes, I don't know how, the whole system may be slightly out when you add something. Maybe it's because you didn't tighten it strongly enough. But if the whole system is not aligned, then you just need to continually tap the system until it aligns. And you use, of course, the water spirit level that you attach on various sides. If and when ultimately you are happy that everything is aligned, you tighten these vices more so that it holds the whole system, and then you start immediately just tighten these screws that you had in your first section. Tighten it, drill in these holes here, these screws at these various places where you want to. the alignment is sort of a constant process. After everything is aligned, properly tightened, you also tighten from the side screws there, so that these two units are then linked. Thank you very much for watching this video. We love constructive comments and criticism. Please like and share this video.